purpose for the partnership between Paktronic and TCI was to find the best possible soldering technology. TCI is soldering high mass and big volumes, so they were looking for a partner that could deliver this type of technology. And also, at the same time, they need a fast reaction in case they need service and a quick intervention. So this was the main purpose for our relationship.
TCI is a leader in the world for the production of LED driver and LED module for the lighting. The benefit for using this power flow N2 is the increasing of the production and the decreasing of the no good production after the through hole technology.
TCI is already for more than 20 years an Ersa Wave customer. Together with us, they chose a couple of years ago to go for a better machine. So together with us, they came to the Powerflow N2 machine, where we have a better motorized spray fluxer, where we have the preheat with a combination of convection, IR and quartz burners, and of course the whole machine is under nitrogen, where we have the improved possibilities and quality of the end product.